Have you heard the latest rumors on the iPhone 15 Ultra? If not, let me tell you. So let's go ahead and dive into the rumors and release date for the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Ultra. Starting with that name, iPhone 15 Ultra. Where does that come from? Well, right now we have the iPhone 14 Pro and the iPhone 14 Pro Max. It's a bit of a mouthful. And the Max versus the Plus of the basic iPhone 14 is a little confusing. So Apple could be looking to simplify this with the iPhone 15 series, giving you an iPhone 15 Pro with a 6.1-inch display and then the larger iPhone 15 Ultra with a 6.7-inch display, the same size as the iPhone 14 Pro Max and the iPhone 14 Plus for that matter. Apple looks to be pulling some design cues and naming cues from the Apple Watch Ultra, the highest end version of the Apple Watch. So it seems like with this release, the iPhone 15 Ultra will have exclusive features that the iPhone 15 Pro does not have. So what is the design for the iPhone 15 Pro and Ultra going to look like? Well, it's still going to have a glass back, ideal for things like MagSafe and wireless charging, but the sides could be switching to titanium, another premium material we saw on the Apple Watch Ultra with those titanium edges. It's going to now round out to the back, so it'll keep the flat sides, 90-degree angle to the front, but it'll round around the back, similar to like the lid of a MacBook Pro. This is not only going to be more comfortable to hold in your hand, but it could provide additional impact resistance for when you drop your phone, because all those corners are going to be really hitting the titanium, the metal versus any of the glass that is protected around it. But what about the port on these phones? Well, it is actually going as far as saying that not only will the iPhone 15 series adopt USB-C, but the iPhone 15 Ultra could include Thunderbolt access as well. So you can connect Thunderbolt drives as well as USB-C drives to your iPhone 15 Ultra. What about the cameras? iPhone 15 Ultra could be the first iPhone with a periscoping telephoto lens, allowing us to get better images than we ever have today. With the existing telephoto lenses, we are only getting like 3 times optical zoom and up to 15 times digital zoom. Compared to the competition, Apple telephoto abilities have been crummy to say the least, because of space consideration. Only this larger iPhone 15 Ultra will likely get this periscope lens, but Ko says that the iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Ultra will each get that periscoping lens just a year later. On the front of this device, Apple could be moving to a 2-camera selfie system. Rumors here are a bit scarce, and it doesn't really say why Apple needs dual selfie cameras. One could be a very wide lens, one could be a more focused lens with an increased depth of field, or they could just be using this to create more depth images, kind of like how we have the dual cameras on the back for portrait mode. But Apple has been doing so much with software, it's hard to say exactly why they need 2 cameras. But again, larger size of the iPhone 15 Ultra could make this an exclusive feature to that 6.7-inch phone and not come to the iPhone 15 Pro. So that's what we think we know right now. Apple will also likely iterate the processor going to the next generation chip on the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Ultra. We are going to have that new design. We are going to have titanium bodies, a periscoping telephoto lens, dual selfie cameras, no Touch ID, though, but at least we'll be getting USB-C and Thunderbolt. Let me know what you guys think. Are you excited for the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Ultra? Drop me a line down below in the comments and follow my Instagram page in the description. Otherwise, stay tuned, because you have a long time to go before the iPhone 15s are released in September of 2023. Things could change. More rumors are going to be coming out. Let me know what you think of these renders. We are very excited about them. Otherwise, stay tuned. Got a lot more coming your way.
Please guys, do like, share and subscribe and comment your views, how much you are excited about the new iPhone. Thank you for watching.